great day, y'all, and welcome back to another Daily Dose of Influence from NASP. Did you know that your negative thoughts are killing you? Yes, they are. But this doesn't mean to stop everything you're doing and start going to focus on those negative thoughts. In fact, you want to give them as little emotion as humanly possible. Right? In fact, remove all emotion and attachment from those negative thoughts as you possibly can. Because see, thoughts come in and out of our brain. That doesn't mean that we have to own them. That doesn't mean we have to focus on them. And right, what you focus on, you find. What you focus on grows. What you focus on seems real. And eventually, what you focus on, you become. So anytime a negative thought pops in your brain, just let it go. It's like a basketball game or a football game. You just want to score again on the other side, right? So anytime a negative thought pops in, just go score a point for the other team and get a positive thought in to even it out, right? Let go of those negative thoughts and don't dwell on them. Don't pursue them and don't feed them. Because the more you feed them emotion, the more they're going to grow in your mind and the more they're going to take over your focus. And this is what you're going to get in your life. So focus on what you want. Replace every negative thought with a positive thought and let go of those things. That's all right. They're not even yours. They're just passing through. That's your daily dose of influence, y'all, from NASP. We'll see you again on the next one. Don't forget to click on the link below, like, comment, and share on this, and become a member of NASP today.